Good morning, one and all. How are we? She's made me ill. Ooh, you got a cold. Yeah, you've been up all night, haven't you? With all the coffee. Oh, that's okay. We hope everyone's alright. I hope everyone had a nice time at Dog Fair. Really sorry not to have seen you all. So take care, Dan, and the rest of everybody who played, because I'm sure it was an absolutely corking day. Um, we're going to have a really quiet day watching TV, aren't we? Yeah. You're going to wave. Say bye bye.